You plug in your external hard drive, expecting to access your photos, projects, or backups. But instead, Windows hits you with this nightmare: disk unknown. You check disk management, and it tells you that you need to initialize it. But we all know standard initialization completely wipes the drive, from which you will lose files. Don't panic, and do not initialize that drive just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix a not initialized external hard drive without losing a single megabyte of your data. We will be using a professional, highly trusted disk management tool called AOMEI Partition Assistant. It allows you to rebuild the master boot record and recover lost partitions safely without standard formatting. Before we fix anything, we need to verify exactly how Windows sees the drive. Right-click your Windows Start button and open Disk Management. Look at the bottom section. If your drive says Unknown Not Initialized, or it just shows up as a completely blank, unallocated space out of nowhere, the problem is exactly the same. Your data is likely still fully intact, but Windows just doesn't know where it starts or ends. To fix this safely without risking standard formatting, we need the right tool for the job. Open your preferred web browser and click the first link in the description or pinned comment. This takes you straight to the official AOMEI Partition Assistant free version page. On the official page, click on Download Freeware to get the setup file. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer and follow the prompt to complete the installation. When the installation completes, launch the program. Let's move on to the actual fix. Now that we have the software open, you will see all your connected drives listed. Find your external hard drive. It will usually match the storage size of your problematic drive and might show up as unallocated or unformatted. To fix this without wiping your files, we are going to repair the drive's communication framework. Right-click on the icon representing your entire external disk and select Rebuild MBR from the drop-down menu. A small window will pop up asking you to set the type of MBR for your current operating system. Since we are on a modern Windows, select the Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11 option from the list and click OK. Now look at the top left corner of your screen. You will see an Apply button. This is why I love this tool. Nothing actually happens to your drive until you hit that button, protecting you from accidental mistakes. Now click Proceed and click Yes to confirm. The software will rewrite the corrupted master boot record in just a couple of seconds, safely restoring the drive's identity without touching your actual data. If rebuilding the MBR instantly brought your drive back to life, fantastic. But if your external drive still shows up as unallocated space, it means the partition table itself was severely damaged or deleted. Don't worry. Your files are still sitting in that empty space. Windows just needs help finding them. On the top menu of AOMEI Partition Assistant, click on Recovery, and from the drop-down list, click Partition Recovery. A new window will open. Select your external hard drive from the list of connected disks. And click Next. Now you will see two scanning options here, Fast Search and Full Search. While Fast Search is great for quick, minor glitches, we want to ensure absolutely nothing is missed, so we are going to select Full Search. This method does a deep sector-by-sector scan of the unallocated space to guarantee it uncovers every single lost partition and all of your hidden data. If you want the full tier toolkit that includes advanced partition recovery and their premium data rescue utility, make sure to use my discount link to unlock up to 80% off the Pro Value bundle and also access discounts on other products. Once it finds your lost partition, it will appear in a list showing its original file system, size and volume label. Check the box next to that partition and click Proceed. Within seconds, AOMEI will map the partition back onto the drive, making all your files visible and accessible again, exactly where you left them. And there you have it. If you head back into your Windows File Explorer, you should see your external hard drive fully recognized with all your data completely intact and untouched. No initialization pop-ups, no formatting errors, and most importantly, no lost files. If this tutorial saved your data today, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward Windows fixes and optimization guides.